Alexa, good morning.
Good morning, sunshine. Today there are 2 events remaining. At 12:30 p.m. there's coffee with Sharon. At 6 p.m. there's dinner with Jim. Here's your flash briefing.
Alexa, order more coffee.
Here's what I found. Amazon's choice is Amazon Fresh Columbia Ground Coffee.
Alexa, add to cart.
Okay, add it to cart.
Hungry. Alexa, order pizza.
I have a few skills for that. Do you want to give Domino's a try?
Did I lock the front door? Alexa, lock the front door.
Locking. Hang on. The front door is locked.
Alexa, close the shades. Alexa, turn on the TV. Alexa, play Jeopardy.
This is Jeopardy! Good luck today, players.
Alexa, play Blackjack.
Your card is a jack. The total value of your hand is now 23, so you went bust. You lost this hand.